Folks, I wanted to show you something. I just got my my download cards in, so that way I can pass them out to help support the movement. And I got my flyers in, which is I'm very excited about. Well, not my flyers, but my brochures for our business. And that's pretty much what it looked like. We specialize in combo welding, metal fabrication, and installation of your designs. HogOnWelding. Pretty much give a layout. Show our services, pretty much what we charge, what we certified in. Then it's cool because I got pictures. And by the way, all the stuff that's on here, I actually did with my hands, installed it, built it, put it in. I did all of this stuff. So I actually installed these add-ons, stainless work, gate work, erection, Welding, carports, cranes, ATVs, gates, customizing. I do it all. So I'm happy about the way my brochure turned out. I've been waiting on it for a minute. We work 5 to 5, or you can contact us from 5 to 5. We might not work from 5 to 5, but most definitely get in contact with us. Serving the Deer Valley area. Hog on.